Welcome back to another beautiful episode of Open Thoughts, an open dimension where the thoughts are real. It's easy to love vibe on a beautiful thoughts, thinking beyond the clouds and hoping to connect to souls. On that note, this beautiful inspiration came to me, the Trinity of Man. I said, whoa, the Trinity of Man. Now, if God made man in his own image, right? We know, or we believe, we are Christians, we believe in the Trinity, Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. So, if the Creator made mankind in his own image, right? Will have I. He will create a system equal or similar. I don't want to go on the power scale because people love to measure things. It's just the expression of thoughts, my inner self. So back on it. Like if you get this far. So the Trinity of Man is equal to the Trinity of God. Right? Men are lesser beings. We also have a Trinity. We have a mind, body, and a soul. It's three. Your body is your flesh. Your mind, your heavens. You think, you process your heavens and your soul. Now coming down here, I said, whoa, is it just my crazy thoughts, or is it factual or true? Will have vibes with me in the comments if you believe or if you see the masterpiece of God. If you believe in God, just comment, This is an inspiration. This is not a normal thinking process for me, explaining these concepts. Because it's not easy. Back to it, the Trinity of Man. So, to all have vibe with yourself. Like when you pray, you have to close your eyes and you have to go inward to pray to connect. Imagine millions of people praying the same time as you. Have more urgent callings than you. Imagine, you are not alone in this body of life. Or we are not alone. Everybody is going through the process of life, growing. If you're not growing, you're dead. So realizing that you have a Trinity as well. Give surrender to something is more superior than you. And then you understand that you are just a cell in this body of the world. And then you could be either a white blood cell or a red blood cell. It's a moment of choice. We are gifted in choosing as mankind. Free will. That's the Trinity of Man. Not just your fleshly motion. Satisfactory self. You have to learn to feed the flesh and feed the spirit in a balance. And observe your thoughts and understand sometimes it's not your thoughts. But if you dominate yourself and discipline yourself to practice things of habits of good, then you feed the spirit and the flesh. So the Trinity of Man is far-fetched. No, just reality. Think about it. See it. See that God made you powerful. But We shadow ourselves in doubt and fear. We cripple ourselves by society's norms and pressures. We're afraid of assassination and condemnation. It's a vibe. All of us.